So for the hip thrust, or also known as glute bridge, the whole point of this exercise is to fully work your glutes in its shortened position. Okay, so think of driving your glutes up while squeezing and contracting your glutes. Now, it's important how you set it up. First, your upper back should be nicely pinned on the bench. Number two, your knee should be roughly 90 degrees. And number three, think of cueing your pushing your knees outwards. If it helps, put a resistance band around the knee to help activate or to help cue your body to push your knees out. This will really fully utilize and activate the glutes. One more thing you can do is imagine putting like a coin or 50 cents between your butt cheeks and squeezing it while you push and drive your hips up. Now, another thing important is that you do not overextend the back. You want to keep your ribs stacked on top of your pelvis, which I will show later, and this can be helped by keeping your chin tucked down towards your chest, keeping your chin tucked towards your sternum or towards your chest, and this helps to prevent that extension at the lower back, and it keeps your ribs stacked on your pelvis for that neutral or roughly relatively straight spine, and this will really only be working on the glutes. At this whole point in time, you really do not want to be overextending at the bottom. You only want it to be moving about your hips. And remember, think of it as like I'm opening and I'm closing a book. The one side of my book is your spine, the other side of your book is from your butt to your thigh. It should be only moving like this hinge or scissors pattern. There shouldn't be at the bottom where your spine opens up and extends. It should be kept, your spine should be kept relatively neutral or straight. And you're moving at your butt like a hinge, like a hip movement, opening and closing like a book. Okay, and you can see that my neck or my chin is always tucked towards my chest. This helps to cue my body not to overextend at the bottom. And also you can see my knees are always at 90 degrees and my knees are pushing outwards. I'm going to show you now what I mean by really overextending your spine and now stacking your rib cage on top of your pelvis like that with your tucking of chin.